All offences against the woman and the child of the sexual offences that is explained in the Bharati Nyaya Sanhita 2023 from section 63 to 99 all are explained. First section 63 is about the rape and 64 is the punishment of rape. 65 is a punishment of rape in the certain cases, and 66 is punishment for the causing death or resulting in persistence of vegetative, and 67 is sexual intercourse by the human upon his wife during separation. 68 is the sexual intercourse by the persons in authority, and 69 is the sexual intercourse by the employing deceitful means, etc. And 70 sections is gang rape. 71 is the punishment for the repeat offenders, and 72 is disclosure of identity of victim for the certain offences. 73 is the printing or publishing any matter relating to the court proceedings without permissions. Assaults 74 is assault of or use of criminal offense to women with intent to outrage her modesty. 75 is sexual harassment. 76 is assault or breach of criminal force to women with intent to disrobe, and voyeurism is 77. 78 is stalking. 79 is gesture or act intended to insult modesty of a woman, and 80 section 80 is a dowry death, and 81 is cohabitations caused by man deceitfully inducing belief of lawful marriage. 82 is marrying again during the lifetime of a husband or wife, and 83 is a marriage ceremony fraudulently gone through without lawful. 84 is enticing or taking away or detaining with criminal intent or married women. 85 is husband relative to of husband of a woman subjected her cruelty, and cruelty is defined in under section 86. Cruelty means for the purposes of section 85, cruelty means the woman to commit suicide or to cause grave injury or danger to life, limb or health, whether mental or physical, of a woman, or harassment of a woman where such a harassment is with a view to coercive her or any person related hereto meet any lawful demand for any property or variable security, or is an account failure by her or any person related to her to meet her such a demand. 87 is kidnapping, abducting or inducing women to compel her marriage. 88 is causing of miscarriage. 89 is the causing miscarriage without women consent, and 89 is the death caused by act done with intent to cause miscarriage, and 91 is act with the intent to prevent child being born alive or to cause to die after birth, and 92 is the cause death of quick unborn child by act amounting to culpable homicides. 93 is exposure and abandonment of the child under 12 years of age by parents or persons having care of it, concealment of the birth, secret disposed of dead body, 94, and 95 is hiring, employing, or engaging a child to commit an offense, 95, and 96 is procuration of child, and 97 is the kidnapping, abducting child under the 10 years of age with intent to steal from its person, and 98 is selling child for the purpose of any prostitution, etc., and 99 is the buying child for the purpose of prostitution. Means there is given from section 60 to 99, all it is explained here. For the offences against the woman and the child, all are together, it is 63 to 99. Thank you. If you are liking it, then share it. And this, again I am repeating it, that these all these four law is not enforceable till now. Thank you. Share it and subscribe it.